Okay, so today is a travel day for us. Man, kind of bright. So we are currently in Onalaska, Texas, which is about an hour and a half north of Houston at a place called On the Lake. I highly recommend if you're in the area. It's a beautiful park right on the lake. You can see it behind me. I mean, it's just an awesome, awesome place. So we got about a 4-hour travel day on paper today. Probably more like 5 hours for us. So not too bad, really. But yeah, so we're gonna get everything loaded up. We've been here for about 2 weeks. We're gonna get everything loaded up and get out of here. Halfway there. I'm about to go outside, do the outside stuff. Luckily we didn't get a bunch out because we had the patio with the furniture and all that good stuff. So yeah, we're gonna keep chugging. So with the kids' bedroom, a lot goes on the beds just because it has to. TV comes down and everything just kind of fits. Inside finishing up the last little couple things. Everybody's done with the water and all that good stuff, so I'm gonna go do all the hoses and then we should be pretty close to getting out of here. The car is filthy. So, but we are traveling 4 hours today, so might as well wait to clean it, right? What y'all doing? Yeah, so if you're ever wondering how kids entertain themselves when they're traveling, this is one way. Can I what? Shut that? Oh.
Hi.
Hi.
That way, just a smidge. Hold on. That should be good. Yeah, that looks perfect here.
Hitting the road, aren't we, sis? Yeah? Yeah, so when we travel, I take Rudy typically, and she takes Arlo, because we have 2 vehicles, and it's way easier when we split the kids up, isn't it? Yeah, so we got about 4 hours today, so not too bad. We'll get there when we get there, probably around 3:30, 4 o'clock this afternoon. Made it here a little over 4 hours. Me and Rudy didn't stop. Arlo, oh hush. Oh, she's ready to get out too. This is Gertie, right? This is Gertie. So we're gonna go in, check in, and then we will pull to our side. I think we have a waterfront that backs up onto Lake Buchanan. So we're excited about that. Look at those lost teeth.
And this is Izzy.
And that's Izzy. Goes everywhere with us.
Isabella.
Isabella.
Okay, it was a successful, awesome travel day.
Yeah, it was.
Those are always much appreciated when you travel as often as we do.
Yeah,
some days
for sure.
things can go wrong, and today nothing went wrong.
Yeah.
Thank God.
So yeah, that was a short short day, short video for us, but it's kind of following along, so you guys can kind of see where we're going, what
We're
doing.
here at Lake Buchanan RV and Cabin Resort in Burnet, Texas. Right on the lake, right on Lake Buchanan.
Yep.
More to come on this resort. It's beautiful. I can't wait to get in that water.
For sure.
But yeah, that's really
it.
it. So stay tuned for next week's video.
Yeah,
and as always,
like and subscribe.
show us some love.
Yeah, for sure. Okay. Well, until next
Bye.
week, guys. See ya.